Okay, so in this video, basically, I'm going to look at the interaction between looks and strategy. So remember that our looks and our are attractive, unattractive, and average, and then our strategy is between those two, which is hard to get and normal. All right, so here we find that there is a significant difference in the ratings between attractive and average, and unattractive and average, given the type of strategy that was used. All right, so it's going to make it a little bit easier if I look at this graph down here. Okay, and just looking at the graph, it's going to help you here a little bit, because we know that we have normal. Okay, and this is playing hard to get, and here we've got attractive, here we've got average, and here we've got unattractive. So just looking at this graph, we can say that the person who was attractive and played hard to get had a higher rating than the person who was attractive and was normal. Not much difference here on the average person, and the person here who was unattractive and normal was rated higher than that person who was unattractive and played hard to get. So it kind of gives you a little bit of a breakdown on that interpretation. Here you start looking at your means, and you look at your means as well as part of your interpretation.